A lot of you really would like to pay more money to the people at your front desk because they serve an incredibly important function in coordinating the flow of your everyday business. I'm going to show you a tip on how to bring that to pass without any money out of your pocket. Stay tuned because this is quick Salon Money Tip number 3. Hello tribe, welcome. For those of you who just joined us, I'm Gary Alquist. Welcome to the Thirsty Warrior. I want to give you today a very important money tip. It's a quick Salon Money Tip number 3, and that deals with the pay that you pay your front desk, your receptionist, or your assistant salon manager, or your salon coordinator, whatever you may title them to be. As you will agree with me, they serve a very valuable function. They are coordinating the time and money and the flow of your everyday business, and they serve a very important part in greeting every new client and when every new client or existing client checks out. Would you agree that they're valued more than $7.50 an hour? I've heard this over and over from my clients for many years. There's something that escapes me. Why is it we're in the service business and the people working and doing the services called service providers have these important people up front that coordinate their day, but yet they're not contributing to paying that person for their valuable service? What do I mean by that? My son's in the service business. He's in the restaurant business. And I asked him one time, I said, Alexander, I said, what do you do with your tips? He said, well, at the end of the day, he says, I tip out the people that clean up our tables and what have you. I said, do you find that valuable? He said, yeah, it's valuable. He said, or I'd have to do it. He said, it's nice for me to just stay in the zone and serve clients. I said, that's a good point. So why do our service providers not tip out the front desk for providing such an invaluable service for them, even though we're all team members and you're paying them a guaranteed hourly wage? Why aren't they taking their tips at the end of the day and tipping out the front desk for $5 or $10 or 5 or 10% of the tips? Hey, you know, a really good hairdresser make $500 in a day. Is it not worth some money? $25, $35, $45, $50 for the valuable service that they had that kept their day running smoothly? I think so. This is a good time starting up after the virus and coming out of, hopefully coming out in months to come, out of this recession, to start establishing and setting good money structure, financial structure, and policies from this point forward. If you value this, would you hit the thumbs up and like it? Please join our tribe and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and I'll let you know every time a new video comes out. Next tip coming up.